Justice, civilians trying to catch child predators becoming a problem across the country, even right here in Alabama. Tonight, the Blount County Sheriff's Office says let law enforcement handle the bad guys.
The WVTM 13's Magdala Lusant live in Blount County to tell us why. Magdala.
Yeah, so Guy and Brittany, a recent situation with a group trying to capture a suspected predator may have cost the sheriff's office from charging that person and ultimately prosecuting them here in this courthouse behind me. And that is why the sheriff says leave it to those who are legally sworn in to do the capturing. Blount County Sheriff Mark Moon knows all too well about the viral videos of vigilante groups confronting suspected child predators.
I'm assuming that guy sent a picture and that's how they knew who he was. I don't know how else you would know that that's the guy that you thought was chatting with your minor.
Sheriff Moon has been working hard in Blount County to make sure child predators are captured the legal way.
We're just, a little concerned that some of these people that are out doing these social media and YouTube type videos, we're afraid maybe they're just doing it for the clicks, the likes, the shares, to make things go viral so they can make money.
A couple months ago, Moon says an Indiana man claiming to be a part of a group who catches predators showed up at a Hayden man's door in the Smoke Rise area. That man thought he was talking with an 11-year-old girl online. Moon says the vigilante called his deputies to the scene. They're now investigating the claims, but are limited because of the Internet Crimes Against Children task force they're a part of. In the rules, Moon says working with vigilante groups will put them at risk of losing all the resources they need to prosecute predators.
Looking through it, there were some things that really are kind of suspect on whether or not we can legally charge this guy, even if we weren't a part of this ICAC task force, even if it was just us.
Chris Hansen, a journalist known for catching child predators, is set to release the first episode of his Predator Investigative series. That episode is about 3 men they caught in Blount County.
It's harder to detect and it's harder to catch these guys. So we remain vigilant. We work with law enforcement all over the country and will continue to do so because these investigations create awareness and a dialogue. And we also serve justice.
Justice, Moon says, should be handled by the ones sworn to do it.
Bring us the phone. Let us do a forensic download on it so that we can get all of the IPO addresses, so that we can get the phone numbers, so that we can figure out who it is, what area it might be.
Now, Blount County Sheriff deputies, I'm told, are still actively working on this case in Hayden. Now, Chris Hansen and Sheriff Moon say that people, vigilantes especially, should never ever put their hands on suspected child predators. Instead, they said this could lead to assault charges, and then that will draw out the case before they can ultimately charge and prosecute that suspected predator. We're live in Blount County. I'm Magdala Lusant, WVTM 13.